So this is about an hour later. I was thinking about how to mount this on the mouse. It works, it's wired up. Look, I'll show you. I plug it into a USB and the red light, as you can see, it works. But the problem is that I have to mount it very sturdy, because the micro USB cables, I mean the plugs, are very hard to plug in and pull out. That's a design flaw. I don't know why they do it. The original Nokia charger and pretty much all the charging ports and USB ports, none of them were so hard to take out and put in. I don't know what they did with this. Even the USB type C is very soft. You put it in, pull it out, no problem. But this is a defective design, I'd say. My only solution to this, I created a few cables like that. I just grounded down these pins. These pins that are holding on to the port when you plug it in. I created a few cables where I grounded these down, and they go in and out very easy. That's a definite improvement. But that's not a standard, so I just want to make the mouse, this conversion, very standard, so anyone can do it and use it with any micro USB cable. So this is not a good solution, at least not a simple solution. So yeah, I will probably mount this on a piece of plastic like this, and then the larger piece of plastic will be more easy to mount on the frame of the mouse. So yeah, I can maybe put some screws and hold down the circuit board onto this piece of plastic. Glue I don't think will be strong enough. Maybe 2 pieces of plastic like that and screw them together to tighten it so it will hold the small circuit board. But yeah, I'm still thinking about this. I don't know what, and it also has to be removable, so that's the other problem. If you want to clean the mouse or replace a switch or something, you have to be able to take this out, unscrew the circuit board, and take out the circuit board. So this has to be removable. Yeah. So maybe it would make a lot of sense to mount it on the circuit board. That would be the ideal solution, but unfortunately that's not strong enough. So I don't know, and it's hard to find good mounting points here. This was not meant for maybe if I replace that screw there with a taller screw and mount something on it, and here's maybe another mounting point, so I'd form a triangle maybe and mount the port on there. Yeah, I'll still have to think about it and come up with an easy solution in the next video probably.